Hi, I'm Megan Elder. I'm the owner of Moose and Me Baking Company, a bakery that employs adults of all abilities. Moose and Me is an inclusive bakery space. It got started and was inspired by my daughter Mila, whose nickname is Moosey Goosey Pumpkin Pie, and we call her Moose. And so she loved to bake, right? Did you love to bake?
I do.
Yeah, we love to bake in the kitchen together. So the idea of creating a space where we could have a lot of adults with different disabilities come in and learn new skills and be productive was something that we kind of dreamed about. Seeing that opportunities for adults with special needs really fall apart and fall off after school is out. They lose a lot of opportunities to be part of the community, to have jobs where they're feeling successful and purposeful. Some of the jobs that our employees do go from rolling out cookie dough, to cutting out shapes, to measuring ingredients, to turning on and off the mixers, to writing special notes on our bags that go out to all of our customers. The most important piece of equipment in our kitchen is definitely our oven. We would not be able to create any of our products if we didn't have the oven. Having natural gas is super important to our business. We wouldn't be able to do the things that we do. We wouldn't be able to produce our cookies and our brownies and our cakes without natural gas. And knowing that it's dependable and that we have it and we can count on it makes a huge difference in us being able to prepare and meet the demands of our customers. I've had a lot of proudest moments, but I think every time we're able to hire a new employee of some different ability brings me so much joy, because we started with 2 and now we have grown to 14, and giving all those opportunities to people that just need opportunities to show their skills makes me super proud. Our hope for Moose and Me is for it to become a staple here in Naperville, that people want to come here and want to experience communication with our employees, want to support them in doing their jobs, and is a place that people can come into and feel happy and feel like they're making a difference by coming in and supporting us, and that our employees are making a difference in their lives by bringing them joy throughout the day.